Hell of a process. It took all day to just get this one all stuffed up. Maybe 2 days. We've been going back and forth pulling these together, and what you do is you go back and forth, levering as much as you can, tightening up your lags, and then so as not to strip anything out, you have to come back and forth and just keep working it one section at a time. Literally one section at a time. One section at a time, sweet Jesus. Yeah, they've been pulling. We've been pulling for a couple weeks now. In this one, we were going through the wall. You can see the 2 holes. We're going out to a stump outside, jacking it, and then carrying and jacking and carrying. But we broke one of the come-alongs.